Hi all. So one of the most common requests we get at Thenty is to figure out a way someone can bookmark or favorite their CMS items. And we have finally released a functionality so that you guys can bookmark, like, favorite CMS items. And more importantly, you can have somewhere on your site where a user can log in from any device and see a list of their favorited or bookmarked items. This data is stored in your application, and you can also see the data around bookmarks for your CMS items. So let's get into it. So the first thing you will need is a CMS collection. If you don't have one already, Frame will make it super easy to add one. You just click the CMS button up here, and you can create, for example's sake, a blog just like this, and Framer automatically inputs some seed data for you. So thanks for that, Framer. It's super quick and helpful. And now you'll see that we have a list page that's automatically created, and then our detailed pages for our blog posts. What we'll have to do here is, add a custom Fenty component that will be representative of like the interaction between a user and the Fenty APIs, and this action being, liking an item or favoriting or bookmarking, whatever you want to call it. So the first step will be to open your Fenty Dashboard and go to this tutorial here. And you'll have to copy this bookmark button, and you can paste it anywhere on your canvas. Oops, it's sort of just pasted here. I'm going to pop it there. What you will need to do is populate this CMS collection name field. We just had it as blog. It is case sensitive, so just be careful with that. And we also want to put here a link to the slug field. So what we've got here, set variable slug. And what that will do now is it will dynamically populate this field with the slug of the CMS item on the page that a user is looking at. So you don't have to, build this page out 100 times. It will automatically populate it with the slug here from your CMS item. So it's really as easy as that. I'll just leave these settings as default here, and we can click publish. So it's going to publish a whole stack of changes. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the blog post. I've already installed all my login components. I'm just going to quickly log in because you have to be logged in for this functionality to work. You can hide this using our switch component for users that aren't logged in, but I'll leave that up to you guys. There's tutorials around that. And what we're going to do here is we're going to simply like this blog post, and we're going to refresh here. Note how it's still checked. Now, if I view my dashboard now on the CMS Insights, you can see that someone has liked a blog post, which is the collection name, and then the slug here. And let's unlike just to show it working. And it's gone. So it's really that easy. The next stage would be creating the lists view of your favorite items. So what I've got here is I've got this CMS items page. This could be your dashboard. This could be anything. The first thing you need to do is go to this insert tab, insert a collection list, and this defaults to the blog that I just created, right? You can change it on the right-hand side here under CMS content. And the next thing you need to do is open the tutorial up, and you need to copy this component here, which is a list of bookmarked CMS items. So what I want to do is I want to paste that. I'm just going to center it for now. All I have to do is drag that purple prop there to here. We're going to say this is the collection list. Oops. Then I'm going to drag that there, say this is my empty state. There are some settings down here that you need to populate again, which is just blog. We can publish this. And now let's go to this page here. So CMS items. And like we mentioned, you have no favorited posts. If we go back to this post and refresh the page, we can see our favorited blog post here. Thank you so much for joining me today for this quick tutorial, and comment below, join our Slack community, reach out to us on Twitter if you ever need any help. We are super responsive and try to do the best we can to help you get your site up and running. Thank you.